Hello Capricorn, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus signs. Kamusta kayo? Sana po'y nasa mabuti kayong kalagayan. Welcome back po sa Star Tarot. At kung bago kayo rito, welcome din po kayo. Please subscribe, like, share my videos, and leave me a comment po kung nakaresonate po kayo. Thank you. So, tignan natin kung ano ang mga ganap dito for Capricorn. Capricorn, first card, we have responsibility. Take responsibility for your own happiness. Okay? Kasi nga, happiness then is a choice. So, nasa sa inyo yan. If you're going to choose to be happy, then you will be happy. 'Di ba? Decision mo yan eh. Choice mo yan. You don't need to, di ba nga may kasabihan na hindi mo kailangang ilagay yung susi ng iyong kasiyahan sa bulsa ng iba. Kasi hindi tayo nagdidepende. 'Di ba? Hindi natin kailangan magdepende sa ibang tao para sa ikakasaya natin. Hindi natin kailangang magdepende sa kung ano ang gagawin ng mga tao sa atin or anong mga sino yung mga tao na ilalagay natin sa or dadalhin natin sa buhay natin para tayo maging masaya, 'di ba? Hindi natin kailangan 'yon. Ang pagiging masaya, 'di ba, is a choice. If you're going to choose to be happy, then you will do things, no, that will make you happy. 'Di ba? You're going to choose peace. You're going to choose things that are good, 'di ba? Na makakapagdulot sa iyo ng iyong kasiyahan. But you don't need other people to just to be happy. Kasi ikaw mismo, pwede kang mag-create ng sarili mong happiness, 'di ba? For yourself. Kung merong mga tao na nakakapag-inspire sa iyo lalo, merong mga taong nakakapagdulot ng ekstrang saya, bonus na lang 'yun. No, bonus na lang 'yun sa iyo. But it doesn't necessarily mean na yung taong 'yun lang. Paano na lang kung wala sa buhay mo yung taong 'yun, 'di ba? So hindi ka na magiging masaya. 'Di ba? So, bonus na lang kung merong mga tao na nakakapagdala din sa sa'yo ng ekstrang saya, those are just, extra talaga. Talagang bonus na saya na lang ang dulot niya, pero not necessarily na siya lang yung magpapasaya sa'yo, okay? So, we have power of angels. May your angels protect you, guide you, and keep you safe. Ayan. So, maaari 'no, na iba sa inyo dito baka lagi din kayong or kailangan lang din ninyo na magdasal, 'di ba, sa iyong mga angels, lalo-lalo ng mga guardian angels ninyo. Kasi lagi lang din naman sila nandiyan diyan eh. No? And they are also just waiting for you to ask them for help, 'di ba? Naghihintay lang sila no na tulungan ka or naghihintay lang sila na sambitin mo, 'di ba? Yung mga pangalan nila, sambitin mo yung guardian angel mo para tulungan ka. Kumbaga tawagin mo sila, 'di ba? Lagi lang nag-aantay ang mga 'yan. So we have discernment, follow your intuition. Okay? Malaking paalala din ito sa iyo, a very strong reminder na follow your intuition. Sundin mo, pakinggan mo kung ano man ang sinasabi sa iyo ng iyong intuition. Whatever your intuition is telling you, yun ang gawin mo. Okay? Kasi yung intuition natin, that's divine guidance. Diba? Yung intuition natin, those are messages from the divine. At sinasabi nito kung ano yung best para sa'yo, saan ka dapat papunta, anong gagawin mo, yung mga ganon. Okay? So, tingnan natin ano pa ang ganap. And by the way, maraming salamat for subscribing. And if you haven't subscribed yet, subscribe na kayo. And also, maraming salamat din for not skipping the ads. Malaking bagay po yan sa akin. And also, please click the join button sa baba ng video kung gusto po ninyo na mag-join kayo sa membership. Okay? Salamat po. So, we have let go. Capricorn, it's about time na for you to release anything, that doesn't serve your highest good. Anything na alam mo namang wala kang control, i-release mo na din yan. Kasi you don't need that. Otherwise, if you're going to continue to hold on to that, kukontrolin mo pa rin ng mga bagay-bagay na alam mo namang hindi mo kontrolado yan, mas lalo ka lang mai-stress. Diba? And that's not going to help you in any way. 'Di ba? Mas lalo ka lang mag-a-attract ng mga mahihirap na sitwasyon. You will just attract more problems, 'di ba? Yung ganon. Yung mga negative situations, mas lalo lang lalapit yan sa'yo. Kaya, i-let go mo na yan. Sabi dito, Once you let go of the outcome, you'll be able to release all the emotional constraints that have held you back in the past. So trust in the higher good and guidance of the Spirit, as we have only your best intentions at heart and will do everything in our power to protect you. Okay? Kaya, let go mo na. Anything na hindi na nakakabuti para sa'yo. Anything na hindi man nakakatulong sa'yo para mag-progress ka, magkaroon na development ng buhay mo, diba? Just release them. Caregiver. Capricorn, baka kayo ay isang caregiver. Maybe you are taking care of someone dito. Maaari you're taking care of parents or mga pasyente, di ba? Pwedeng you're a caregiver, you're a nurse, ganon. Sabi dito, we are with you. And the Spirit has its own way of recognizing the care and love you provide to others, especially at the end of their lives, just as you received care and love at the start of your life. Caregivers often focus all their attention on their loved ones and often neglect their own concerns and well-being in the process. So, parang at the same time, paalala din ito sa inyo na while you are taking care of other people, 'di ba? Ah, also take care of yourself at the same time. Kasi papaano mo maibibigay yung unconditional love mo for those people. And also papaano mo sila maaalagaan. How can you perform the job of taking care of these people kung yung sarili mo napapabayaan mo na. Kung yung sarili mo hindi malakas, 'di ba? So papaano? Kailangan mo ng physical strength, 'di ba? Kailangan mo ng lakas para magampanan mo yung trabaho mo. Kaya while you are taking care of other people, make sure that you're also taking time to care for yourself. 'Di ba? Isabay mo na yung sarili mo. And much better before you take care of them. Take care of yourself first. Alagaan mo muna yung inyong sarili para na mas marami kang lakas, 'di ba? You have so much love also to share with these people. Okay? So baka, yun nga, baka caregiver kayo o pwedeng nurse din. You're taking care of people na siguro ang iba sa inyo merong inaalagaan na mga, alam mo yun, mga dying na, yung mga nasa, siguro nurse kayo or caregiver kayo na nasa hospice facility, yung mga ganon, no? Or baka sa tahanan, 'di ba? Maybe you're taking care of someone who's dying, no? May ganong ganap. Hindi ito para sa lahat ha, na mensaheng ito. But yes, for some of you may ganon. So we have soul solitude. Your soul needs attention. There are moments when it's important to get away, not just from the noise of the outside world, but to find a place where your soul can experience peace and quiet, a place for soul solitude. So, this is a time to pause, a time to reflect, a time for you. Okay? So, maari kasi, Capricorn, na lagi na lang kayo nasa trabaho, lagi na lang kayong nag-focus para sa um, pag-aalaga sa ibang tao. Pero yung ikaw, yung sarili mong pangangailangan, yung sarili mong kalusugan, pangangatawan ay maaaring hindi mo na rin naaalagaan. Okay? Kaya, kailangan mo to. Kailangan mo ng me time. Kailangan mo na mag-spend time kayo by yourself. Alright? Para maalagaan mo yung sarili, makapag-unload ka ng stress, makapag-unload ka ng pagod, and you can take care of yourself. Okay? Good luck po. Thank you for watching. Love and light. Namaste.